Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games crashing on Windows PC. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on Library. This will display all the games you currently have installed on your system. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Right-click on the game that's been crashing for you, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up a dedicated settings window for that specific game where you can adjust various configurations that might be causing the crashes. Now look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn this off. The Steam overlay can sometimes interfere with certain games and cause stability issues, so disabling it is a simple first step that often resolves crashing problems. Next, in the left panel, click on Installed Files. Here you'll find an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it. This process checks all the game files on your system and compares them with what's stored on Steam's servers. If any files are corrupted or missing, Steam will automatically download and replace them. Give this a moment to complete, as it may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. Alternatively, if the issue still persists, you can try a fresh reinstall. Right-click on the problematic game again, then hover your mouse over Manage. From the sub-menu that appears, click Uninstall. Once the game is completely uninstalled, reinstall it from your library. This gives you a completely clean version of the game and often fixes persistent crashing issues. If you're still experiencing crashes after trying these methods, there's one more solution to attempt. In the left panel, right-click the game that's crashing and select Properties again. Then in the left panel, click on Installed Files and click Browse. This will open the actual folder where your game is installed on your computer. Double-click on Program Files x86. Then double-click on Steam. After that, double-click on Steam Apps. Next, double-click on Common. You're now in the main games directory where all your Steam games are stored. In the upper right corner, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type .exe, then press Enter. This will filter the results to show only executable files. Browse through the results until you find the executable file for your game. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Running the game with administrator privileges can sometimes bypass permission-related crashes that occur during normal launches. You should also make sure your GPU drivers are up to date, as outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of game crashes. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your specific model. And that's it, you've now addressed the most common causes of Steam game crashes on Windows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.